web browser, I'm going to use Safari. I'm going to type in Homebrew and then hit the Enter key. It should be the first link you see, so click on the link. So you can copy that command by clicking on the clipboard icon. So if you click that, go back to the dock and click on Launchpad, search terminal and hit the Enter key. I'll hold down the command key and then press the V key and then hit the Enter key to run. Type in the password. The characters won't show up as you type in your password, which is fine. And then hit the Enter key. Hit the Enter key to continue. It actually took a couple of minutes. So you actually will see a message that says run the commands in the terminal to add Homebrew to your path. So what you want to do is copy and paste these commands. I'll run the first command. Here's the second one. Here's the third command. Type in brew and hit enter, and you will see this list of commands.